Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create Sui Wallet on Android phone. Alright, so in order to create the Sui Wallet, open up your browser, log on to suiwallet.com. Once there, scroll till you find the option to download via the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. So for Android devices, go with the Google Play. For iOS devices, it's the App Store. Alright, so once you've clicked on Google Play, you'll be taken to the Google Play Store where you're met with the option to install the app. So make sure you click on install, and once you've clicked on install and the download is completed, click on open. Alright, so the Sui wallet comes with various login options such as Twitch, your Apple ID, the Google account, or your Facebook. So you could either create a new phrase account, or you click on more options and import your passphrase or import a private key. I'll be going ahead to create a new passphrase account. So click on that option, and then your recovery phrase is shown here, which you can copy. And once you've copied it, click on next. And then you're required to either enter a biometric or PIN to unlock your wallet and confirm transactions. So click on next, and welcome to the Sui wallet. All right, so your portfolio of tokens are shown. You can buy, send, swap, and also buy Sui to start staking. There's much more you can do on the app, but we'll be getting onto that in our next videos. All right, so this is how you can create your Sui wallet. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.